How to sign up for a new Forex account. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys a quick and easy way to sign up for a new Forex trading account. But before getting started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. The first thing you need to do is open up any web browser you have and then simply search for forex.com. And once you do that, you can just hit enter. It will directly take you to the official website for Forex. And here what you're going to do is on the top right you will see login and start trading. If you already have an account, you can simply tap on login to log into your account, and if you want to open up a new one, tap on start trading. And here are quite a few options that you can choose from. Just look at all of these descriptions. I'm just going to choose the standard account, which is the most popular as well. Go ahead and tap on open a standard account. So you'll have to fill out a form right here. The first thing is to choose the country of residence. And once you do that, you can go ahead and enter your email address and then go ahead and enter your username. You can just create a new username right here and see if that is available. And after that, you can just go ahead and create a new password. Make sure to enter a number, a lowercase and uppercase character like this. And once you do that, select a title for yourself. Enter your first name, then your last name, and then you can just simply enter the date of birth. So go ahead and enter your date of birth right here. And once you do that, you can enter your primary phone number. So all of these details are necessary to be filled, and once you enter your phone number, you can just tap on save and continue. And on the other part of the form, you will have to provide a government issued ID, whether it be your citizenship, your passport, or your driving license. You can enter that, and then you can enter your trading experience, then you will finish up the sign up process. So that's how you open up a new account on Forex. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.